I do a lot of chatty get ready with me's on stream, and one of the questions I get asked the most is how I do my eyeliner. As you can tell, I'm Asian, I have hooded eyes, which means your girl doesn't have a lot of lid space. The most important thing with eyeliner for hooded eyes is getting a thin eyeliner. Since we don't have a lot of real estate, we want to make sure our wing is as thin as possible. I personally really like this Judy Doll Slim Liquid Eyeliner. Like, look how thin she is. This is how thin she is compared to my standard other drugstore black eyeliner. If you're someone that does like your makeup even more natural, I would even recommend doing this with something like a thin pencil liner. This one is from a Japanese brand called Santa Newborn, and I absolutely love it. I use this one on the daily, and sometimes I even combine the two of these. The biggest thing that I would say is with hooded eyes, you kind of don't want to follow traditional cat eye where you aim for the bottom of your eyebrow. That's a tip you'll see a lot. But with hooded eyes, and specifically Asian eyes, you kind of want to follow the folds of your eye. So if you're looking at me, you can tell I almost have like a wing here, right where my eye crease is. So what I'm gonna do is take my liquid liner and just follow that line. What I like to do is kind of look and see where that line is, and then I look down so that I have a flat surface to work with. So I'm just gonna draw on my wing. So now you can see where the wing is forming right along where my eye crease is. And so now I'm going to connect it to a little bit higher on my lash line to form the wing. I actually think my eyeliner is running out of pigment, so I'm going to take a Q-tip and just run it along the bottom to help clean it up. When it happens that this is a little bit too light, I will take this pencil liner and just go over my liquid liner wing. The thing with hooded eyes as well is that you don't want to bring your eyeliner too far into your inner corner. I only go as far as about the halfway point of my eye where my pupil is. So here's this side versus this side. As you can tell, the difference is very subtle, but it helps elongate my eye and complements my eye shape.